Hi everyone, I received a question from my student on how to make these hexagon-shaped tiles, so I made a quick tutorial video. I'm going to use the Marcus Apprentice and round-shaped tile. You can use any size as long as it's smaller than the outermost circle of Marcus Apprentice. I'm using the inner circle to add small marks at 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 o'clock. If your round is bigger, you can use the outer circle to add marks at where the small pinhead shape is, which correspond to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 on the inner circle. And connect set of marks next to each other with a straight line and repeat 6 times. And then trim off the edges. There you have it, your own homemade hexagon tile.